Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. In this video we are going to continue doing some work on this mini hydroponic low cost system. And what are we going to do today? So if you look over there, that is a ply. I don't know how much it measures in length as yet, but that piece of ply is going to be used to make the cover for the tank. We are going to start making the cover. So I have my rotating saw here. That's the cover. So now we need to do the plumbing of the pump now, right? I'm going to cut it there, put the pump and stuff there, and then I can lift off this part to do the cleaning, right? So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm basically finished with the cuttings. I cut it right there, and then I bore the hole in this part so that the 1-inch pipe bringing the water to the buckets from the pump can fit through here. I'm basically finished doing the plumbing, with the exception of this return pipe, that fat one there. I think that one is, let me see if I can measure it, 4-inch. It's a 4-inch pipe, so I'm going to buy a 4-inch 4-inch elbow to put it down into the tank, right? And I'm going to bore a hole. So that's basically what is left to be done. So let us just explain. So here we have some lock-off valves. So this is the pipe coming up from the pump, right? It comes up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off like this, so the water cannot go that way. So the water comes up like that, comes through this, right? Then it goes down into this 3/4 inch hose, and then I have my poly pipes. My poly pipes coming from the 3/4 hose into the buckets. As you can see, all of the buckets have in the poly pipes, right? And then when you come out here, I basically just lock this off right here. It's all cheap method. This one has the screw that you use to tighten it, right? But you could always just wrap it with a cord or anything like that. Remember, this is a cheap, inexpensive setup. So right, so as you can see, that's how it looks. When I'm going to basically mix the nutrient, like when I throw nutrients in the tank with the water for it to mix, all I do is just turn this off, then I turn on this one, so the water will come up, it will stop here, and then it will go this way, and then it will go down back into the tank, right? And then you will have this kind of recirculating pattern, mixing the water in that section. When I'm finished, I open this, close this, right? And then the water will come up and come this way, it won't go that way, right? So that is the whole aim. So yeah, that's basically the setup, right? And what I'm going to do next, another day, is basically wash out these buckets, test the system, right? So I'm going to put some water in the tank, test the system, and ensure that it is working. So I also have the option of putting on these spikes on the end, right? Like this, right? Like this, and just stick it into the growing medium. but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. If I need to, I'll do it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you understand the different steps that I took to reach this far, right? And yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, right, please put them in the comments area, right? And I'll see you again on another video, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. It's free, right? Thank you. Bye bye.